Kusadasi is one of the most popular cruise ship ports in the Turkish Mediterranean, and this harbor town is all about sun, sea, and fun vacations. It has become a favorite destination for travelers from Europe on package holidays in recent decades, thanks to its inexpensive shopping and bustling entertainment scene. Hotel developments connect the coastline around town, and the beaches are crowded in the summer. The majesty of ancient monuments like Priyan and the natural beauty of the Dilek Peninsula are tourist attractions that will persuade even the most stubborn sun worshipper to brush off the sand and go exploring for the day.
Marmaris is one of Turkey's most popular tourist attractions, and without a doubt one of the greatest party locations. It is a popular holiday destination for both families and young people. However, the youthful population flocks to the city in August and September to enjoy the drag performances, foam parties, hardcore bars, and karaoke contests. Long Beach and Bar Street are the major party districts in Marmaris. Another reason for Marmaris's popularity as a party destination is the availability of moonlight excursions and night boat parties. Marmaris may be a full-fledged tourist destination, but it also has a rich history to discover. Even if your holiday consists solely of laying on the beach, or you're just in town for one night before sailing, make a point of seeing Marmaris's charming ancient town. The town's primary historic tourist attractions are Marmaris Castle and the adjacent cobblestone alleys of the Old Town, which lord it over the bay.
Bodrum is the most lively part of Turkey's coast. A handful of ancient sites for touring, and a town full of beautiful, old, whitewashed buildings. This is the newest holiday hotspot. Bodrum, formerly the ancient metropolis of Halikarnassus, had devolved into a small fishing town by the late Ottoman Empire, but that changed in the 1940s when tourism arrived. This town now buzzes with activity throughout the summer as tourists from all over the world visit to drink up Bodrum's beauty. Even if you visit during the off-season, you may still get a sense of the ancient village vibe. The old theater at Bodrum is modest by Roman standards, but it has been wonderfully preserved, and the views from the upper levels out of the mountains are breathtaking. It could have accommodated 13,000 spectators in its peak in the 4th century.
Everyone will find something to do in Antalya. If you're looking for some touring, there's an interesting list of tourist sites to keep you occupied. The city's labyrinthine old town is full of dramatic medieval structures, and it's conveniently located to serve as a base for exploring the surrounding area, which is home to dozens of magnificent ruins. But it's not all history. This city is also an excellent starting point for your journey to Turkey's turquoise coast's white sand beaches. Both beachgoers and history enthusiasts will be pleased. Hadrian's Gate is one of the most important and visually stunning entrance gates into the Kilici neighborhood. On the eastern side of the ancient town, portions of the Hellenistic and Roman town walls have been maintained, with Hadrian's Gate being the most famous. This majestic three-arched marble entrance, flanked by towering towers and adorned with elaborate sculptural embellishments, was erected in celebration of Emperor Hadrian's visit in AD 130.
Istanbul has hotel alternatives for all budgets and types of travelers, whether you're traveling with your family or as a couple. The city, which is home to major tourist sites such as the Hagia Sophia, Grand Bazaar, and a number of magnificent mosques, is also particularly excellent value in terms of hotels, with mid-range lodgings frequently regarded luxury in other places. The bulk of the top hotels for all budgets are located in or around the Sultanahmet area, which is the ancient city center. This is one of the most popular tourist locations since it is close to all of the major attractions.